We are at a point in developer community where every month a new JavaScript framework or library is released. And same is the story with no-code tools. When I was learning to code, I used to wonder if no-code tools will ever make developers obsolete. At the time, I had no answer. But today, I do have an answer. And the answer is no, never. That's not gonna happen. See, no-code tools are great and all, quick to launch, very quick to market. This video is for those who think that no-code is making developers obsolete. But the truth is exact opposite. Here are the 9 reasons to learn programming and gain unfair advantage even in the age of no-code tools. How do you create add-ons and plugins? Programming knowledge is required to create add-ons and plugins which run these platforms. Be a creator of these add-ons and not just a consumer. Development methodologies. Code or no code doesn't matter without the right development methodology. You need the right development methodology to create something meaningful regardless of code or no code. And the best way to learn this is to learn to code. Agile, Scrum, Lean, or Waterfall. You just name the methodology. Security and stability. See, your business is at risk. All your and your project's data is integrated with a third-party library, third-party tool. Higher the layer of integrations, higher is the risk of security. What if they misuse it? What if the tool goes outdated or shuts down? Developers value. No-code tools make developers more valuable. It may seem that no-code tool is here to replace developers, but the truth is that they increase the value of a developer. Because now you realize that no-code cannot create what a highly efficient team of developers can. And from this comes our next point, customization. No-code tools are limited in terms of building highly customizable and large-scale platform. These tools are good to create landing pages and basic web apps, but they have limitations beyond that point. Migration is really tough. What if later on you realize that a specific tool is not fulfilling your needs and you need to migrate? It's not that easy. And again, only a highly skilled developer can rescue you here. Learning curve. No code tools have their own learning curve. You need to learn and invest enough time to use these solutions efficiently. Some of these tools may take you a week to properly learn and start using. Well, you can learn and get started with React.js just over a weekend. So why not to do that? No code tools are machines, but you are not. No-code tools are just machines. They cannot interact with a client and understand their pain points to build a tailored solution for them. But you can. And that's what makes you invaluable and irreplaceable as a human developer. No machine can replace humanly interactions. Learn to think. Learning to code teaches you how to think. When you learn to code, your perspective towards the world changes. You start looking at everything with a more logical approach. You become a problem solver. No code tools are not really no code. These tools are built on top of code, so there is no such thing as no code. It is just a layer of UIs to hide the code implementation. It's just that you are not the one coding. At last, all that matters is code. At the end of the day, no-code tools are just tools. Tools will come and go, but HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are here to stay. So learn them and learn them well. And that is the true source of your value as a human developer.